sa Grand Finals is babe number. Lakasan nyo! 9, Princess of Heat.
To your heart.
Ganda mo nga, babe number 9. Sumigaw. Susunod na babe na sasama kay babe number 9 is babe number 4. Dito. Number 1, Churches and Saraza. Joining babe number 9 and babe number 1 is babe number. Ano kasunod ng 1? Number 2, Jane Ozisa.
To your heart. To your heart. To your heart. To your heart.
Alright, I'm not done yet. Meron pa akong mga tatawagin. So kasama ni babe number 9, 1 and 2, si babe number 4, Maureen Diane Tanyana. It's you. Andun na siya sa point na hindi na alam yung number niya. I'm sure a lot of you babes are hops, di kayo nag-water, di kayo kapakain. Alam ko yung sakripisyo yan.
Number 3.
Joining these babes is babe number. Kainin ko. Lakasan mo. 7, Kat Gonzalez. Huwag yung papo. Unfortunately, isa na lang yung babe na tatawagin ko. And unfortunately, wala ka ng sash, pero pasok sa Grand Finals. That's a fashion show. To the other babes, hindi ko tatawagin, congratulations still sa inyo. You guys really did a good job. I'm sure the judges really had a hard time. And the last babe, moving on to the Grand Finals, babe number 10, Chelsea Lord. And now, Hunks, bakit naman masilayan kayo? Kindly step forward. One step forward lang tayo. Okay, here we go. The first hunk who will move on. Same that hindi ko sinasabing last hunk. Stay there The first hunk moving on to the Grand Finals is hunk number. Teka, dito naman lang. Medyo natutulog na itong side natin. Sino? Hunk number 6, Choco Castro. Joining Choco is Hunk number 3, Ray Manuel. If I'm not mistaken, John has joined us previously. I'm not Minus, tama ba John? O sa Summer Minus din ata? Ayan, hindi na ako pag-inig. Congratulations, John. Joining Choco and one is home number 9, Jonathan Clavio. Alright. 3 down. 3 more to go. Ano ko? Ay, tatawagin ko pa. Ang susunod kong tatawagin ay si hot number. Ano mo? Hirap i-pronounce sa pinito mo. Hot number 5, John Matthew Action! Ayan na, nagpipilian na. Pasok ba ang bet ninyo? Kung hindi pa, tawagin ko na kaya siya. Hot number 1, Jason Louis! Okay. Unfortunately, isa na lang na sa hang na tatawagin ko. And unfortunately, wala na rin sash yung ulit hang na tatawagin ko. So mga hindi matatawag, congratulations still sa inyo. You guys really did a good job. You guys are really, really gorgeous and stunning. But sometimes talaga, the day might not be your day. Ang pasok sa grand final si hot number! Hot number! Number 4!